Flowmaster, the industry leader in performance technology, introduces the new American Thunder catback dual exhaust system for the 2019 Ram 1500 with a 5.7-liter V8 engine. An important thing to note, it does not fit vehicles with a factory single exit tailpipes. This easy-to-install bolt-on catback dual exhaust system is constructed of durable 409S stainless steel, includes our 50 series HD muffler, features 3-inch mandrel-bent tubing for maximum performance, and finish off with dual 4-inch double-wall stainless steel black ceramic-coated tips with the embossed Flowmaster logos. The new American Thunder catback dual exhaust system features a modern to an aggressive interior and exterior tone and has all the performance benefits you expect from Flowmaster. And like all Flowmaster products, it is dyno tuned for maximum performance. If you're looking to give your Ram 1500 more attitude with a deep, powerful tone, then this system is for you. Designed for an easy fit, these systems include all necessary parts and hardware for an easy installation. The exhaust system is manufactured right here in the USA and is covered by Flowmaster's lifetime limited warranty. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.